Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to understand the Leetcode problem number 1153. It's very important because the question saying that you have to find the minimum in a rotated array, rotate sorted array. Okay, what is the rotated sorted array? Let's suppose that you have an array 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and this is called a sorted array because if you see it start from 1 and goes to 5, right? As you can see here, let's say 0 1 2 3 and 4. These are the number. So if we know that if it is sorted array, right, not the rotated sorted array, if it is a sorted array, right, the very first element is the minimum element, correct? If I'll talk about any other sorted array, that is also we can say the index 0 that contains, right, the I that contains 0 index is a minimum number, right? So that will be our answer. But in this case, what is happening, we have given a sorted array, right, but it should be rotated, correct? So what is the meaning of rotated? Let's suppose rotation can be happen in anywhere, right? If we don't know the rotation is 2 element, 3 element, 5 element, how many elements the rotation happen, one time, two times. Let's suppose the rotation happened for the first time, so it will come 5 here, then 1 2 3 and 4, right? This the above array will become if only one time rotation happen. Let's suppose two time rotation happen, then we'll start from where, here 4. So where the first element will come 4, then 5, then 1 2 and 3, right? Like this you will get, correct? If one more time rotation will happen, how it will start from where, will start from 3. So we'll say 3 4 5 1 2. Like this the rotation will happen. It all depends how much rotation had, right? So let's suppose this is the rotation, one time happen, then two time happen, then three time. So you will get the rotation like this, right? But the index you will assume is from 0 itself, 1 2 3 and 4. Each time you will start the index like this. So if you see the problem statement, the example one, where you can see, you are seeing that we have given 3 4 5, the very first three element. Then we have given is 1 and 2, correct? So your 1 is at here, and this will be your minimum number, right? Minimum value, right, in the array. So the thing is, we have rotation, the array has been rotated in 3 times, right? And so that you will get, how many element you will get, you will get, sorry, what you will get, you will get the rotation minimum number element you will get at this index from where the rotation sorted array ends, right? That will be our element. So let's suppose that you know the binary search, right? The binary search, in we do the searching, we divide in the half. Let's suppose call left and right, and there will be a mid element, right? So what you will do that, if I will start searching from here, so let's suppose give me 1 second guys. So let's suppose that I'll use left here and right here, and the mid will goes to here, correct? We can say that. So let's give the name mid. Okay, the very first, whenever you find that left is there, mid is there, and right is there, right? So you will see what you need to do, means the logic what you need to do. So in this case, let's suppose that we want to find the minimum, right? So our main logic will be there. Let's suppose we'll check the middle element and with the right element, okay, where the right index is there. Okay, so we'll check that if 5 is greater than this 2, right, means the element at mid is nums at mid is greater than nums at right. Can we say that? If this is the condition, right, which is have here, right, it means the sorted element lies in where, in the from mid to after mid plus 1 to this part 1 2 3, right, not in this area, because the condition says that if nums at mid is greater than nums at right, it means our search element should be in this area and not in this area, correct? It should always be in this area. That is what we are going to do. Okay, so let me show you how to implement it, correct? So the very first, what you will do, if the condition satisfy, you will say that okay, now check the element mid plus 1, means your left will be get updated and you will come here, right? So your left will start from here and right will stay there. Now you will check with this value, right? Which one is smaller? If you find this is smaller, that will be your answer, right? Like that you will do that. Okay guys, let me show you the code. So now understand what we have given is, we have given this nums where we was talking about is 4 5 3 4 5, and then we had 1 and 2, correct guys? This is what we have took, right? So let's think that how we will do that. Okay, so initially what we will think that, let's start left here. So left will be at 0 and right will we will use at the last element, that is this position. Okay, so once you will find left and right, you have aligned that value that you have the indexes. So let's call index 1 0 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so these are the indices we have given. Okay, now you have took left at 0, right at the last, means both end we have took. Now the condition goes for while left is less than right, the loop will go. Okay, so very first thing that you will find the mid, right? How will you find the mid? You divide this element and you will say okay, left, so left is 0, then you have right is at 4, right? Then you do 0, and once this is done, you divide it. So how much you will get? Means 4 by 2 means 2. So basically your mid will be at here, right? You'll say that the mid is at here guys. So you just remove this part, it is not required now. So your mid is also stay here. Okay, now you will check that if nums at mid is greater than nums on right, it means 5 is greater than 2, which is the condition it is matching. It means your left will be removed from here, so you will remove the left from here, and then what you will do guys, you will write your left here, your left rise to here now, correct? Means the search space is this area. Okay, this is your search space. Now what you will do that, okay, then where the, okay, no, will not come in this size, so you will keep going here and finally you will return, because now if you see the left is less than right, okay, the condition says okay, the left is not less than right, correct here, because the second time you will go here, you have to update this, right? So we'll check that okay, our mid was here, right? Now we have updated to the left, you will recalculate the mid here, right? So you will again say that what is the value, 3 plus right is 4 minus 3 by 2, again you will say the mid will go to the right itself, right? Mid will come here itself. Okay, because this is 3, you will go 1 by 2 here, right? So no, it will come to here. Okay, then what will happen that you will not go here in this loop and you will return finally, because now left and right will assume that when it will come here, right? So you will update the value. The last time you will say that okay, nums at left remove return, sorry, so you will return 1. So nums at left is nothing but nums at 3, you will get the value 1, so you will get the answer. I hope you understand. So let me recap. Very first, what you will do, basically we want the left at here, there will be some elements will be there and the right will be there. Okay, you will find the element, some element will be there at the mid position, but we know that our search area should be in this area, right? So because the mid, if it is greater than, means the this part is already sorted. Now the unsorted or the next search area, you can say, will start from this area, because 1 2 3 some element will be there, right? So you will start the searching and that will be our answer. That is our logic, main logic guys, and we return nums at left because we have put the left here. Okay, so this is binary search, right? You know that binary search gives you the, it it give you the search area where you have to search, and you will discard the half of the element. And in that case, I will say it will take log n as a time complexity. And that's all we have in this video, guys. Thank you so much. And if you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. If you want our online classes, you can join our online classes are going on, more additions are coming. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, so that's all in this video. And yeah, if you want to reach out, the numbers are given in the comment box, not comment box, in descriptions, you can get from there. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. If you have any topic to do study, let me know in the comment section that on that topic you want to understand. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much.